First I am going to add nearly 2 tablespoons of oil. Then I am going to add a teaspoon of cumin seeds. And then after that I am adding half teaspoon of asafoetida, hing. This is optional. And then once this cumin seeds are crackling, then I am adding 3 chopped chilies, green chilies, and then few curry leaves. Then here I have 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger. Once it has turned a little bit golden brown, then I am going to add nearly 2 cups of chopped celery. You can also use cabbage if you want. Either you can cut it this fine size, or you can have little bit of medium chopped celery. Then I added a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, and a teaspoon of garam masala powder. Then I am going to let the spices cook nicely with this celery by covering it with a lid. Once it is cooked a little bit, you can see the color has changed. Then I am going to add a cup of chopped tomatoes and then again cover it and let it cook. Now the tomatoes have turned soft, so I am going to mash them. And now I'll just turn off the stove and empty this cooked mixture in a bowl and keep it aside by adding nearly half cup of water to it. Here I am going to add another tablespoon of oil, and in that I am going to add 1 cup of cubed potatoes. I'm going to let this cook on between medium to low heat until they turn a little tender and golden. Now this mixture which we have, I'm going to add this in a blender and add nearly half cup of water more and then blend it into a smooth paste. This is the kind of smooth paste we need. Now we'll check up on the potato. They look like they have changed color and also they have turned a little bit tender. I'm going to add 3 cups of cauliflower florets to it and then add that paste. Mix it all well, and then I'm going to add nearly 2 teaspoons of salt to it. And because the potatoes are already cooked, so I'm going to just let this cauliflower cook until they are little bit tender. So nearly for 5 minutes you can cook it. I do not like the cauliflower to get too mushy, so that is what I'm going to do. Just 5 minutes of cooking, and then turn off the stove and add half cup of chopped cilantro and then some lemon juice. This is completely optional. And then I'm going to serve this on a plate. This sabji goes really well with either chapati or rice. Then I'm going to place tulsi leaf, and this makes our offering complete. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.